Alright, in this course we're going to work on this choose category. Here when we click on any category, right now we're not getting any feedback. So we're going to work on showing the category here when we click. So let's do that. Go back to our code. In our create post, in here where we have choose category, that's an if statement. So let's say if the selected category is set, then we're going to show the category name. Or else, let's put an else here at else. All right, now we can put this in the else like this and like that. So if we have our category set, then we can show this class span, font, bold, and my auto. Inside here we can just get this selected category here and show its name. So if you go back now and refresh, and then here let's try to choose fridge, then we have the fridge showing here, as you can see. And then here on top, bucket, now the bucket is showing there in real time like that, and blue mattress just like that, screwdriver, it's going to show everything like that, and food. So this is working out dynamically, and as you can see here, when we click, we're only showing the child category. So now let us work an algorithm where we're going to show all the parents from child, parent to parent, like all its parents. So to do that, we're going to have to use a global class using the model, easiest way. So here you can just say span, my auto, text, medium, and here it's going to show category like that, so that when we click, what this does is that it will show category here, category fridge, category bucket, category blue mattress, category screwdriver. So this stays as a default here. So now let us work on showing our parent categories, all of them in a loop. To do that, we're gonna, after this category, just create another span. We're not gonna add any class for it. In here, we're going to add an if statement. So right here, you can just say if a selected category parent ID. And what this basically means is that if a category has a parent, which means we're gonna get its parent name. Add selected category and then get parent. This is a function that we have not yet created, so I'm going to create it, and this function, it will be in our category model. Since this is a category which has been selected, we're going to check if it has a parent. If it has, we're going to pass the same category into our model in here. So here just add selected category, and now let us go to our category model to create this function. So here just type category models, yes, and then here we can create this function, get parent, same name as in our blade file. And we're going to pass a variable, which is the model. Here first, we're going to get the parent of this current model. So here to get that, we can just equal that to self. Now self is just another instance of calling the model, since we are already in our category model. Get this variable parent ID. So here, when the model comes, we're going to get its parent. So we're going to check if. So if it has a parent ID, then we're going to loop through the function again. This same function, I'm going to call it back. This get parent. We're going to pass the same parent. So this is basically, it's like the same kind of thing that we did before with our children, looping down the tree. But this time, we're just going up the tree from parent to parent. We're going to do an echo. Inside here, I'm going to create a span element. Here, class, 2 quotation marks. Let's add a text, small. Here, close this span element. In here, you can add, 2 inverted commas, inside 2 dots. So we can add our PHP. In here, we're going to get the parent name. That's all we need from here. Create a closing span outside a semicolon. All right, so if everything is okay, if we go back in here, and then refresh. Now, if we click on our bucket, we should get its parent. Voila. And now we have its parent here, which is home, outdoor, garden. Here, garden, outdoor, and home. And this is going from lower to upper class. So this is perfect. Now just go back and just add one more thing. After this, let's just add this like that. And also go back to your form post. In the category name, you can add a text, extra small. And then if we go back now and refresh, now if we click on our bucket, you see, voila, now we have a home, outdoor, garden, and bucket. Perfect categorizing. Click on blue mattress. We have the mattress here, bedroom and home, which is mattress, bedroom, and home. So parent, parent, parent. Screwdriver here, screwdriver tools, like that, which is why I say that when we are assigning our post to our categories, we're only using the child so that we can loop through its parents. Now, perfect. So now, if let's now try to create a post like a bucket in here, I'll say Okay, in here we can use this for our cover. You can go to unsplash. We can use uncopyrighted images. So here just type bucket, and then we can pick any bucket. For example, this one here. Here, copy image address, go back and then paste it in here, and then tags now. So if I create post created, so now we're able to see our category. When we choose, we're able to assign our category to our post and our tag. So now if you go to your categories in here we have to filter this, so we can only show those which have, can have children set true. So in here you can go back to your code, go to your category blade at the top, just right here, filter. We're going to filter this so you can only show those which can be assignable. So here type where can have children is not equals to now. Alright, now if you refresh, awesome. Now you only have those which can be assignable like that. And then see you in the next video.